they make 2,000 per week
Down per week.
net
Wow.
to pay for his food, for his rent, for even for his tuition fees. You can make enough money.
What do you think about Poland, like in terms of food delivering? Like food delivering, what do you think? Is this good enough? Do you think you can actually pay off your rents and your school fees?
Yes,
Is it
bro.
possible?
Yeah, I mean, like delivering food is like this courier job is kind of fine. Like a survival, it's really good for your survival, and you can make some money. Yes, bro. Surely, of course, it is very good for a student to pay off his living. You know,
Okay.
to pay for his food, for his rent, for even for his tuition fees. You can make enough money.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I will ask you, what do you think? Which of the food delivering application do you think is much better in terms of here in Lublin that you feel that they have more other than the other companies?
Oh, that's like actually there are 3 to 4 applications I know, and one of them is Uber, one is Glovo, one is Volt, and these three they do the same. You have to do the same job in 3 of them, but they have a bit different schedule thing. Like in Uber you can go online whenever you want, whenever. It's like really flexible. But in Glovo you have to book your hours a day earlier, and you have to work on it. Like for example, if you chose your hours from 1 p.m. till 5 p.m., you have to be available on that time and you have to deliver, because otherwise, if you won't be available on that time, if you miss 1 hour or 2 hours, it can be really risky for your account and they might block you. They might give you chances, like 2-3 chances, but after that they will block you. And for the consistency of the orders, 3 applications, like I would rate Uber on top,
Okay.
because it's really famous worldwide, globally. And secondly, I would rank Glovo, because it's also really good, because they have also this contract. I don't know how to call it, but you can also deliver food or this stuff like from medicines, like from pharmacy or house groceries from Bedronka or Ocean, all these big supermarkets. So that's why they have more deliveries than. And the third one is Volt.
Okay.
Yeah, it delivers.
So that was the one we
used the last time, and it's kinda good. I mean, they pay good. It's also flexible, like Uber. You don't have to fix your hours or book your hours, And they also pay well. They pay, I guess, like 2.5 to 3 zlotys per kilometer.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, from pickup till drop off point. So yeah, and you don't have to go to another place to pick up any order other than supermarket. No pharmacy or nowhere, not any not to any mall. I mean, to any shop where you have to get like clothes or such thing, you pick it up and drop it. No.
Like, do you think there is any time, like any specific time that is much better? The last time we worked together, I noticed we drove for like maybe 30 minutes or like that.
Yeah.
That we couldn't get any order. So we have to stop at McDonald's before we're able to get our first order. Do you think there is actual time, like specific time, that one needs to,
be online at that time?
Be online in order to avoid to waste petrol or gas, whatever.
Actually, yes. I mean, different days have different hours. I feel like on weekends you can work from the morning till night. All hours in every hour there's deliveries and orders. But for the weekdays, let's say Monday or Wednesday, these 2 days are a bit hard, especially if you're working from the daytime. Let's say you started at 10 or 11, So sometimes it gets really hard. It gets really tough to find an order.
So if I were to, what is the most challenge you have faced so far as a food delivering? You know, not just to many students, to like, you know, what do you think is common? For example, you use car.
Yeah.
That same day, I noticed the car windscreen was not wiper.
Oh yes.
Was bad.
Oh yes.
We have to change them.
Yeah.
So in terms of like this, what is the common challenge you think of? You know, using a car delivering.
Actually, common challenge was cold, bro.
Cold.
It was minus, and
Yeah, I understand.
my wiper was frozen, and it was connected like frozen, and it was frozen on the windscreen. It was connected, like I couldn't take it off, and
Oh,
from inside the car when I pulled that stick down
yeah.
for the wiper to turn on, one wiper came up and the other one was still stuck and it broke into half.
Wow.
So yeah, like it was just because of the weather.
That is true. Yeah.
Yeah. Usually, I guess in other different countries where it's not this much cold, they don't face such thing. Like it's
They don't face the wiper issues and whatever.
wiper issues, or yeah, like even sometimes here the windscreen is frozen, bro. You have to wait around 10 minutes.
Yeah, I noticed because I was with you on that day too. I could see how we were both doing it together, and it was very, very cold out there.
Yes,
But still, yet you have no choice because the job have to go on.
you do have to go on.
So
Yes,
you can't just go home back.
exactly.
So yeah, it is nice. It's nice. So are you saying students are really surviving with it, delivering?
Yeah, bro.
It's one of the flexible
Very well.
part-time job for students.
Yes, very well. Like I mean, even there are some students, there are some people I know, like like
Car or they use
by car. Surely by car. Yeah, from bicycle it's a bit hard because of the streets in Lublin. It's not straight. The landscape in Lublin, it's like more like a hills.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
You know.
Pick it. It's gone.
Halo, dzień dobry pani dostała, jestem pod adresem. My first ever tip involved.
So how long will you be driving before you get order?
Maybe like also